Gotta take the stairs, fuck it. Okay, we're in Egypt. Let's get a full scope of it. The museum's open for another 20 minutes. I'll do a little, I don't know what you call it. So like, the B camera or something. Tomb of what? Oh, it says kittens. It says tomb of kitten. What? Kittens? Kittenez? Kittens? There's gonna be like no service in here. Watch. Wait, what? It's increasing. Hello? There's actually perfect service in here. Chat, we're gonna be chilling in here. This is our spot. This is our just chatting spot. Connection's not too bad in here. Actually, I remember when I came to the museum with my history class back in high school, and we all took a photo in here. So there's some memories in here. Let me just show you what it looks like from the outside. So apparently this is the tomb of kittens or something like that. I don't know. I was hoping there'd be kittens in there. Okay. But yeah, it was like exactly here where we took the group photo. Watch your head. Watch your heads, chat. The tomb has good Wi-Fi. I know. Who would have thunk? Can we just chill in here? Just chilling in a... Okay. You guys see that? The tomb of Catines. I think it's Catines. Who was Catines? Catines was a person of some standing who lived in Egypt at the time of Roman rule. His father, Ctosiris, was an Egyptianized Greek, and his mother, Neme, may have been Libyan. Cool. That's pretty dope. There's also like air conditioning. There's like air conditioning right here, and it feels so good. But we might have spoke too soon. I think the connection's kind of going down. Oh, champ, we're on an adventure. Joy. Hi. It's a very scuffed one. We're gonna have to do a take 2. Some of it was my fault. So this is running really late, and I didn't have a proper setup for this stream. So next time I know what to do. I know how to come better prepared next time. We're gonna have to do a take 2 of the museum. Yeah, guys, there's an actual, wait. Can I show this? There's an actual mummy right there. There's a legit mummy right in front of me. And it's coffin. I don't think that's what you call it. There's a special term for it in context to Egypt. We're gonna get a stream backpack, or at least a Wi-Fi hotspot. A Wi-Fi hotspot? What do you mean by that? A mommy? A mommy. Yes, mummy. Can I show this on Twitch? Does anyone know? I mean, it's out on display, guys. There's a legit mummy here. Its toes are sticking out and everything. Like this was a human being before at one point. And I'm looking at it. Sarcophagus, that's the word. Thank you, John. Alright, show that. That's pretty. Yes, you can show. Are you sure, AA? I mean, it is on display for the public to see, and it's for educational purposes, right? Alright. There you go. You see that, chat? I think. I wonder, wait, who's this person? Who was this person? Yeah, I use hotspots all the time when I'm traveling and have to do some work. I mean, this.
No, it's a funerary bed.
Yeah, I love this spot. Mummy cut the stream. Mummy. Mommy? Question mark?
Dog. Yeah, please do.
Mommy? Sorry. Mommy? Sorry. Mommy? Sorry. Hey, look, chat. That's me when I'm working on my eyeliner. That'd be me back in the day. What do you guys think? Would this be the look I pull off? Yeah, let's get that eyeliner on point. Makes me want to go to Egypt. I should make a vlog out of this. Just to make up for all this laggy shit. Yeah, now I really feel like vlogging. Could I? If I had more time, if it was open longer, I probably would. It's okay, I'll come back another time. It's just all trial and error. Oh, now we're walking to ancient Greece. It's a good spot too. Which would make sense that it would transition from ancient Egypt to ancient Greece. That would make sense. Look at all the Grecian statue heads. I also find that the more times I flip the camera around, the more it starts lagging. So I'm probably going to try to prevent, or I'm just going to try to avoid doing that. guys hear that? The gift shop is open till 6:30. Let's go. Maybe we'll go to the gift shop then.
I thought that was my car.
Alright, where's the dinosaur spot? Where's the dino spot? This is all ancient Greece. Ancient Greece. Let me take a peek over the balcony. Where's that? Oh, we were down there, guys. Hang on. Safety first. What time is it? 5:20. Okay. 10 minutes left. Then we can head to the gift shop. So we're gonna do a little speed run. They're kicking us out, yeah. They're shutting the party down. Do you guys remember where we kind of started earlier? That's where we were before. That's ancient China, or like Asia. Ancient China, ancient Korea. More Greece stuff here. Feeling like I'm in Hercules right now. Y'all watched Hercules, right? Zero to hero, just like that. You guys know that song. Look at that, literally straight out of the Disney movie. You guys see that? Straight out of the Disney movie Hercules. Zero to hero, just like that. Alright, do we have time to go to the dinosaur section? Might as well try. Disney princess, Jaden. Should come here looking like Megra. So we're going from Cleopatra to Megra to what? I'm lost. Chat, I'm lost. Oh, whoops. How do I get to the dinosaurs? Oh, yeah. Yo, Elmer! Welcome into the scuffed IRL stream. Let's go. Oh god, I'm gonna look back on this and be like, oh my goodness. It was so choppy. Oh, this is pretty. Isn't that pretty? Thank you. Dinosaurs? Just on our way out, might as well show, like, you know, the iconic thing you would find at a museum, which is like the T-Rex bones. I wonder how many T-Rex bones there are out there, like on display in all different museums all across the world. I wonder how many there are. I'm gonna go this way. Tough. At least you'll get multiple VODs out of the stream. No, it cut off like, it was like twice. It was only twice. Right? So there's probably gonna be 3 VODs. There you go. It's not a bad thing. Even if it was like 6 VODs. It's not a bad thing, right? They're smart. I like how they make the gift shop like open a whole hour extra. Those content creators, bro, content creators unite. Alright, let's go to the star of the show. Hey guys, you see your boy the T-Rex? Feeling like I'm in Animal Crossing right now. Gotta go, but I'll be back hopefully. Okay, Jaden, thanks for hanging out. Yeah, weird. Some of chat isn't showing up on my app, but it's showing up on there. Weird. Let's get a better view. It's a pretty cool shot. Oh, it's so quiet. My hiccup kind of echoed a bit. I don't want to flip the camera around because it might stall the connection. Big dino. His. Look at the feet. Huge feet. Hi, Kels. Oh gosh, it's echoing now because this museum's closing. And we could just pop into the gift shop for a bit. So I did have a backup plan. I'm like, you know what, like, whatever, if the museum stream didn't work out and all that, I had a backup plan. So I have an idea of where to go after the museum closes. Chris, hey, oh my god, IRL stream, yay. It's been so scuffed. It's been so scuffed. You guys, I'm gonna do another re-attempt of the museum stream because this wasn't it. I have to get a slightly better upgrade or a better setup. I have to upgrade a bit better. Oh, just finished watching Prometheus. Love that movie. I haven't seen Prometheus. Whoa, is that like an armadillo? Look at that big ass armadillo. Big ass shoulder. I mean, it looks like an armadillo. Right? Probably a long time prehistoric cousin. Anyway. So yeah, I know where to go after the museum. Is all to say. That's all I wanted to say. Yo, sunshine. Hello. I love this museum. Wait, do you know this museum, Sunshine? I like your shirt. Thank you, Jeremy. Well, at least the connection's been getting better. That's nice. When shit's closing, that's great. Whatever, chat. Trial and error. Gotta keep trying. Oh, we lost connection again. I'm lost. The amount of times I said I'm lost today. Alright, T. How long has it been? This way. Man, but this was fun. Fudge. I want to do more of these streams with better quality. It's like that Pokemon. Never would have guessed it. Now I can extend my selfie stick a bit more. Because I was told at the start of the stream not to, or like to keep my selfie stick short. Which is understandable. At least I got to stream. Hi, chat. It's so light out. me chilling here for a second. Kind of thinking, kind of want to go to like a dollar store to get, what do you call those like plastic wraps? They tighten as you pull on them. Just something for me to like pin my battery pack to the selfie stick. Hi Trap Lord. You wearing the chucks today? I am wearing chucks today. They're like really dirty, beat up, old white Converse. They're not even white anymore. They're all like there was like some mud on the side that I ended up never really cleaning. Like I never washed these shoes, but it's a look. It's like a very rough, like beige, like scuffed up, dirty Converse look. And it goes with like, I don't know, it just goes with my outfit. Zip ties. Thank you, Subby. Zip ties. That's what I want to get. Just to add some more comfort. Oh yeah, this is what the museum looks like on the outside. See if chat's working on my phone now, because it wasn't making. My god, I'm so washed out on stream. What the hell? I look like a ghost. I'm looking like the ghost I was trying to summon back there. Museums always have the weird shaped buildings. They kind of do. So they kind of built like a modern sort of exterior outside of like the old building. The old building's been around I think since the start of 1900s. So they just kind of gave it like some type of facelift, if you will. I'm just trying to get chat back up on here. A ghost, but a cute ghost at that. You should go to a museum soon, Jackie. You want to go to the zoo? Me too. I'd take you guys there with me as well. And see panda. Do we have a panda here? I think the zoo here has a panda. Are you still going to the lake? I'm going to a lake? Wait, I said I was gonna go to a lake. Lake. Oh, you're talking about from that other time. Yeah, I'll be doing another IRL stream for that. Why not? Alright, where am I going to now? I'm trying to think where the nearest dollar store is. Oh, let me look it up. It's sunny. I know, it's bright. Hi, one. How's it going? see where the nearest one is. I kind of don't want to go to that location because there are a lot of sketchy people around there. But it's the closest, and I don't feel like walking a lot. Catch some fish on stream. I don't think, well, you need a fishing permit for the lake. I know you're joking about it, but I do want to go fishing now that you mentioned it. AA. I do want to go fishing. Legit. Weirdos and whatnot. Yeah. I don't know. You guys, should I go? I really want to get those zip ties. Let me see if there's one closer. There's a lot of weirdos there. Hi, Red Sea. There's a lot of weirdos there. I really don't feel like doing that. And you guys saw what happened the last time I IRL streamed, because that location, that McDonald's I went to, has a lot of weirdos of that sort of nature there. Yeah. Let me see if there's another one. Oh wait, I think there is that other one that I'm thinking of. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with that. Some decent tape could do. That's true. Yeah, no, we don't need another incident like last IRL stream. True. Oh, thanks, Red Sea. Anyways, how's it going? It's going good. Honestly, that was still, even though it was really scuffed and choppy, I still had a lot of fun. And like, I'm just really looking forward to the next IRL streams because they're just gonna keep getting better and better, you know? That's how it is. Everything just kind of is like kind of shitty at the start, like quality wise it's not the greatest, but as you go on it'll get better. Hang on, you guys, I'm gonna switch this around. Just so I can get like water and everything.